At Plano Elementary, we've always believed that a legacy is more than something you leave behind. It's something you build with daily habits and intentional choices. This year, we're taking our mission to a new frontier. Welcome to Launch Your Legacy. You guys ready to launch some rockets?
Yeah!
Let's do it!
Like a constellation, our individual talents connect to form a powerful network of support, ensuring that no challenge is faced alone. By working together, we provide the consistent, high-quality guidance necessary for every student to build a lasting legacy.
Launch it! Press the red. No.
We hold our students and our staff to the highest standards because we believe in the limitless potential of every individual who walks through our doors. Growth is rarely a straight line. True learning requires the courage to take risks and the resilience to handle the moments when we fall short.